Hey, you wanna know a secret? I got a sweet tooth for Pokemon. I like playing that Pokemon Go from time to time. And you know what else I like? I like animating Pokemon. Well, actually, I've never animated a paper Pokemon before. But I'm thinking y'all might want to join me today. Because the most amazing, incredible steel type hamburger of a Pokemon is about to get an evolution in Pokemon Go. Metagross. So I designed these little templates here so y'all can print them up, cut them out, and animate Metagross along with me. And if you're real lucky, you might get a shiny. On each of the templates, you're going to see a guide. The guide has all the parts numbered and shown how you're supposed to put them together. That's all I need to say. Let's move on. Next up, we're gonna do some sort of fun and funky animation with our boy Metagross. See, I did a screen recording from Pokemon Go because I want my Metagross to move like Metagross moves in Pokemon Go. I use that as a reference and a guide inside of Dragonframe. Once I finished that, I thought, man, I need this dude to Mega Evolve. So, once again, I'm gonna take a reference video from my beloved Pokemon Go, import that into Dragonframe, and use that as a guide on how to animate it. Since this is basically just a bunch of circles, I did not include a template for this part. So if you're gonna do it, all you gotta do is cut out a bunch of little different circles. Finally, y'all might be saying, man, how'd you make your Metagross shiny? Well, one way you can do that is take the template I provided you and change the colors on it to match shiny Metagross. As you'll see, I used a different method. I went into After Effects and used the Change To effect in the color correction submenu. This let me change the blues into silver grays and the silver parts into golden, etc., etc. Let's see how everything looks together. Oh man, that's looking good. Like I said before, y'all can download these templates. Just check out in the description box. If you happen to have seen my paper Metagross on Pokédaxi's channel, why don't y'all let me know in the comments below. He's one of my favorite Pokemon Go YouTubers. What's y'all's favorite Pokemon? And if you want to see me animate something else that I can make templates for, why don't you let me know? Alright? Y'all keep it crumpling.